We successfully detangle hair with patience, persistence and prayer. With God, all things are possible. Matthew 19:26.
Getting rid of every tangled matted hair is possible.
Thank you for watching our tutorial video. Our goal is to demonstrate and teach you how to detangle hair safely. Your hair is worth saving. It takes a lot of work, patience, prayer, and faith to detangle very matted, tangled hair. But it can be done successfully. The first thing we do when a client sits down in the chair is to reassure them that we need their strength and patience to successfully detangle their hair. The client has to be strong as well. It is not always enjoyable to sit for long hours. As you can see, we analyze and study the hair. We look to see how the hair is matted. What direction is the hair matted and tangled? Are the knots large or small? How close to the scalp is the hair matted? Are the ends of the hair tangled or just the roots? Sometimes hair that is matted for 4 days can tangle and wrap around itself as if it has been matted for 4 months. We soak the whole head with 2 bottles of the takedown remover cream. We really want to overly saturate the hair, especially if the client has put other products or oils in the hair previously. We want to rub the cream all over the hair even though it is only on the outer part of the hair. We try to do our best to push the cream under the matted hair as well. Now we wrap the hair with plastic. Using a plastic shower cap works just as well. We heat for 5 minutes. Notice how we press down on the hair as we heat with the blow dryer. Next, we take our comb with a metal pointed tip and pick strands of hair. We slowly pick in different areas to find places in the tangles and knots that will be easy to loosen up a bit. The goal is to pull little strands of hair out. Do not rush. If you try to rush when detangling hair, you will become frustrated. As you pick deeper into the matted tangled knot, add more of the takedown remover cream. The hair on the inside of the matted clump or tangled knot is very dry and brittle. You want to keep the hair moisturized with the detangler cream so it will not break like straw. When we detangle large areas of hair out of the matted knot, we braid that section. This will prevent the hair from getting tangled and matted again. If you cannot finish detangling the hair in 1 day, simply cover the head with a plastic cap to keep it moist. Do not shampoo the hair until it is completely detangled and combed through. If you feel that this is too much work for you to do, just stop and contact us. We don't want you to give up and cut your hair. Thank you for watching. Remember that all things are possible with God. Matthew 19:26.
Badly tangled matted hair can happen to you. If your hair is tangled, matted, dreadlocked, filled with knots, matted balls or clumps, you do not have to cut your hair at all. People may tell you to, but do not give in or give up on your hair. Contact Tangled Hair Techs today. We care about your hair. We are the solution to detangle any hair type or hair texture with very tangled, matty, knotted hair. We want to save your hair when other hairdressers just want to cut it off.
Getting rid of every tangled matted hair is possible. We successfully detangle